The Honda S800 M Coupe is a rare gem from the late 1960s, a tiny sports car that captures the pure essence of driving excitement. Designed as a lightweight, compact coupe, the S800 was aimed at export markets and often found itself competing against small European roadsters such as the Austin-Healey Sprite and Triumph Spitfire. Today, it remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts for its combination of nimble handling, high-revving engine, and unmistakable 1960s charm. This particular S800 M Coupe is set to appear at an auction in Japan this January, with the possibility for international buyers to acquire it. Originally built for the Belgian market, the car eventually returned to Japan, where it underwent a full, meticulous restoration. Every detail has been carefully addressed, from the exterior paint and chrome trims to the interior upholstery, making it look as close to factory new as possible. Its restoration has positioned it as a standout collectible, with estimates placing its expected sale between 7 and 9 million yen, equivalent to roughly $44,000 to $57,000. Under the hood, the S800 features a tiny 791cc naturally aspirated inline-four engine, producing 69 horsepower when new. While modest by modern standards, the car's lightweight design, just 1,587 pounds or 720 kilograms, allows it to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. The combination of the small engine and low weight means the S800 can reach 99 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, with ease. But it's the character of the engine that truly impresses. Derived from Honda's motorcycle engineering expertise, the S800's power plant is capable of spinning past 8,500 RPM, with some examples reportedly touching 9,500 RPM. This rev-happy nature gives the coupe a thrilling, almost motorcycle-like sensation when driving. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission, ensuring a connected, engaging experience that's rare in modern cars. The car's lightness and precise steering make it a joy on twisty roads or mountain passes, offering agility and responsiveness that larger sports cars often cannot match. Its chassis balance and mechanical simplicity highlight the pure driving philosophy Honda embraced during this era. The design of the S800 M Coupe is a perfect reflection of its time. The long hood features a noticeable bulge on the passenger side, hinting at the mechanical marvel beneath. Chrome accents frame the headlights, grille, and rear bumper, while small black wheels perfectly complement the compact proportions of the car. The interior is equally charming, with a simple, driver-focused layout that emphasizes function over extravagance. This particular example has remarkably low mileage, with the odometer reading just 66,438 kilometers. Combined with its comprehensive restoration, this makes it a highly desirable option for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a piece of Japanese automotive history. The S800 M Coupe represents a rare moment in Honda's heritage, blending tiny dimensions, a spirited engine, and lightweight handling into a package that still feels modern in its pure driving appeal. For lovers of high-revving engines, minimalist sports car design, and the tactile experience of true driving engagement, this restored Honda S800 M Coupe is a rare opportunity to own a historic piece of motoring excellence. Its tiny size and motorcycle-inspired engine create a driving sensation that's impossible to forget, making it a dream car for anyone who appreciates classic Japanese sports cars.